Last week it was corn. On Monday it was soybeans. Turn to shine. Michelle Rook is back to talk about the latest moves with Alan Brugler.
And markets were mostly lower on Monday with the exception of soybeans. And Alan Brugler is joining us. And Alan, still that risk aversion, risk off kind of dominating the commodities sector.
Yeah, that's definitely the issue here. You've got the banking situation, you got the Fed meeting, and a lot of uncertainty about what the Fed's going to do because of what's been going on with the bank bailouts. You know, will they raise rates another 0.25%, or are they just going to stand pat? You know, we've got inflation, but we've also got the signs that maybe the rate hikes are causing the bank problems. So, you know, I think we're taking money off the table, and we also know that some investors took major haircuts on these bank failures. There's $17 billion of the bonds in Credit Suisse that'll be written off to zero. Well, that's going to cause somebody somewhere to move some money around.
Right. So we do know, like you say, money flow, the fund positions, that's all dominant in the trade here the last week or a couple weeks in the commodities. Will that continue through Wednesday, and then what'll change it after that?
Well, you know, you always wonder if there's another shoe to drop. Is there another bank that hasn't been adequately covered, or that you know, surprises the market? But yeah, I think once the Fed gives us a clear signal where they're at, we can start to focus more on the planning intentions report and grain stocks report, which are coming out the following week. Start to worry a little bit more about growing season weather here in the U.S., those types of things.
And then corn and wheat probably under a little pressure with the Black Sea grain deal extended, but soybeans were able to divorce themselves. And was that just a technical bounce or what?
It looks like it's mostly technical. We went down to some of the retracement supports. We did some bad technical things last week, breaking speed lines and so forth, but we hit alternate support levels today. The dollar was a little weaker to kind of encourage some buying there. And beans aren't nearly as exposed to the grain corridor as what the corn and wheat are. So you saw wheat sell off. It kind of dragged the corn down, but beans were able to be independent.
Okay, we'll see where we go from here. Thanks so much, Alan Brugler with Brugler Marketing. And you can get our full discussion at agweb.com. We'll have more Ag Day coming out.
Ag Day is sponsored by Germinator Closing Wheels. Germinator steel closing wheels, perfected in conventional, excels in no-till. Order 12 to 16 rows today and qualify for free shipping or 20% off an end zone moisture management package.